Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into settings. After that, scroll down, click on advanced features over here, scroll down again and tap on one-handed mode. After that, click on the sweater to activate it if it's not already on and scroll down. Over here, pick one of the methods to reduce display size with gesture or button. I will go with button, so I have to click on it and follow the instructions. Double tap the home button. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is on. You can change placement of the screen by dragging it below or above, or clicking on this icon over here. If you want to go back, just click on the blank area. As you can see, one-handed mode is now off, but you can always turn it off completely by clicking on the sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!